JavaScript is a very important language. It is used to make websites interactive. With JavaScript, you can create games, web apps, and much more. It is also one of the most popular languages, so learning it can help you get a job in web development. Hello everyone, welcome to the JavaScript course on IMS Coding. My name is Imran Sheikh and I'll be guiding you on this journey. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This course is for anyone who wants to learn JavaScript. If you are a beginner or know some basics but want to learn more, this course is perfect for you. In this course, you will learn everything from basic JavaScript to advanced topics. We will start with simple things like variables, data types, and functions. Then we will move on to more complex topics like objects, arrays, promises, and more. The course is divided into many short videos. Each video will cover a specific topic. You can watch the videos in order or choose the topics you are interested in. At the end of this course, we will build some real projects together. To get the most out of this course, I recommend you follow along with the videos and write the code yourself. Practice is very important. Also, don't be afraid to ask questions in the comments section. I am here to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. We have a lot of exciting stuff coming up. Alright then, let's get started with our first lesson. Thank you for joining and I hope you enjoy the course. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone.